It's peeking. Yep, it's peeking. Alright, well, you guys can't see it, but there's a cable right there. Got coils. Come on. There we go. Got coils. Got Corvair. Yep, there's a motor in there. Transmission, everything. Everything's in the car. I'm waiting on my coil springs and a bunch of other stuff. I need some grease. Got grease. Well, let me show you what today's project is. Or should I say tonight. It's like 82. Super, super, super hot. We got a bunch of tools down here. Old cable. And yeah, I know you guys can't see it, but you'll see it in a second. New cable. So, without further ado, I'm replacing a speedometer cable in a 1969 Corvair. Now to do that, you have to take out, there's 2 bolts right there that hold it into the hub. There is another 2 bolts right there, and it fishes up through into the firewall. So I'm going to fish this puppy up into the firewall, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that Corvair motor in the car. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Alright, well, get the flashlight here. Open this door most of the way. There it is. Yeah, there it is. Go through the hole. And then somewhere back there hooks onto the speedometer. And I'm going to do that right now. But I need some grease first. Keep my seat covered up so it's nice. Get some grease. Yummy. Put some grease on this puppy here. Okay. I'm greased up. And I'm ready to attach this. I don't know if you guys are going to see because it's dark in here. Oh, there goes the camera. Yeah, I don't know if you'll see. Anyways, it's up there somewhere. And let's see if it works. Can you guys see it? Huh. I guess I need to spin it faster. And look, really quickly. Roll down the window. Alright, here we go. It works. Like that. Cool. Job well done. Now I can put all this stuff away. I'll keep this thing jacked up for tonight. Gives it a nice look. Kind of. Make sure you always put your tools away. Alrighty. Alright, I'm gonna finish putting my tools away. And now, come on camera, focus. I'm gonna finish putting my tools away and show you guys what happens next. See you in a bit.